Hello.
Welcome to the tiny house.
Welcome to the tiny house. Really is tiny. Oh look, thank you for choosing our cottage. We hope you enjoy your stay. And we have 6 fresh eggs. Have our dining room table. Ooh, nice little back porch. Greetings, fellow young at heart adventurers.
Hello. It's been a while.
Yes, we are now at Brevard, North Carolina, hiking in DuPont Forest. We are hiking the High Falls Trail.
High Falls Trail.
Down to Triple Falls. There's actually 3 different sets of waterfalls here, so that's going to be cool. We actually came out here to pick up our new Toad. Well, what do you guys think of our new tow car? Our new Toad that we're going to be pulling behind the RV for all the adventures in 2023. It's not a new car at all. It's a 2011, but it's new for us and will allow us to tow 4 down instead of using a tow dolly trailer. Yay! Which will be a huge relief for me because every time I hook that thing up, it's either raining or 95 degrees. There's one.
That's for
so
sure.
This way it'll be a little more convenient, I think, for travel. But it's a little Mini Cooper, so it should be fun to drive. We just have to remember how to drive a stick shift again. Yay!
We made it to the first waterfall. So
we're not sure what it's called. We'll put it down on the bottom. Remember where we stood in that same exact spot? I took that picture like how many years ago?
Probably 6 or 7 years ago.
That was our original picture for Young at Heart Adventures.
Yay! Wow, that last part was all uphill, up.
I
Yes.
wonder it was so easy on the way down. Coming back wasn't so easy. Well, guys, we have some bad news.
Sad news.
Some sad news. Yep, you may have noticed the last couple of videos we didn't have our
sweet little Riley.
Sweet little Riley, the star of the show. Of 17 years we had her.
October, the end of October, she passed away.
Yep.
So it's just been a sad time and lonely in the RV when we have gone. We haven't been out that much lately in the RV, but it's just different.
Yeah, much different. And so we are putting a tribute video together. It's taking me a long time to assemble all the amazing clips from Riley's life. I'm going to call it The Life of Riley. So I hope you'll stay tuned for that. Hope you'll continue to watch our adventures, even without the star of the show being on board.
Yeah.
She
We may
sure
have
had
some
a...
flashbacks to her.
But we appreciate you guys. We appreciate every one of our viewers. Looking forward to 2023
Yeah.
and continuing on the adventures. It's what Riley would have wanted, right?
I know.
So hope you guys will stick with us and join us on the journey. We made it.
We made it.
Okay, let me check how far. 4.6 miles
Ooh.
in 3.5 hours.
Yay.
Good job. So we started up here and we came down, and the High Falls Loop makes a big loop, but we didn't take this trail back. We just did an out and back. So first we took this spur down here to the covered bridge where it's at the top of High Falls. And then we came back and we came down around. I took this spur trail down to the base of the High Falls, but then we kept on going down and down, 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 down. And there's Triple Falls. There's a Triple Falls there coming down. So we came all the way down, but we didn't come all the way down to Hooker Falls. That's quite a ways from the top. So we just came down about to there and turned around and came back. Pretty good hike.
Yes.
Oh, it's just tricky, especially when you're holding the camera. It only goes through one way. Okay, I can't do it holding the camera.